Hey, it's golfing weather out there. A little bit of a breeze across the region. You're looking live from our Dakota Magic Casino weather cam. Not a bad day to get out and play a few holes at the course. And in the Fargo-Moorhead area, it's breezy as well. We've managed to stay dry through this Tuesday afternoon. 80 degrees out at Hector International and winds gusting to 32 miles per hour from the west-northwest this afternoon. That's about the biggest weather threat here in the FM area. Many of us seeing gusts over 20 miles per hour across eastern North Dakota and Lakes country. A few over 30 miles per hour in Grand Forks and Fargo particularly. Here is a look at temperatures across our region. It's 73 in Bemidji, 80 in Fargo, and a look at the satellite showing quite a mass of clouds earlier in the day over northwest Minnesota exited, but we have fair weather clouds over North Dakota with still a few rain-producing showers along north central Minnesota. So from Baudette through International Falls and north of Roseau, a couple of thunder showers out there. And these storms may be capable of some small hail, generally up to around a half-inch in diameter. We have just hit and miss stuff on the radar through Lakes country elsewhere in northwest Minnesota. This cell now just passing off of the big lake as it works its way out towards Long Point at this hour. Your hour-by-hour forecast picking up on the shower and convection activity that'll be skirting the international border and a little bit of possible spotty thunder shower activity through western Minnesota. Putting this into motion, it slides off fairly quickly this evening. Now, if there's going to be consistent or persistent shower chances, it will be in northwest Minnesota this evening. Otherwise, we're quiet. And as we head to bed, we'll notice that our wind speeds taper off just a bit, and overnight we'll see a couple of thunderstorm chances in the area with the South Dakota border. Otherwise, temperatures near 60 degrees for many of us as we kick off our midweek day. The first half of the day, not too bad. These clouds will shift to the east by noon. Our shower chances should be minimal, and that sun goes to work. And by noon already, we should see temperatures close to what we have right now, near 80 degrees. And in the afternoon, the warmth continues. Can't rule out a pop-up shower or thunder shower here or there. But by and large, it looks high and dry for the vast majority of us, with temperatures at or just above seasonal averages for Grand Forks and for Fargo. Into the evening, it looks very quiet with comfortable temperatures across the board. So an hour-by-hour forecast for Fargo starting out at 58 in the morning. Notice the wind speed's not as robust as what you're seeing out there on that live Skycam shot. Temperatures rising up into the mid-80s for your afternoon in the FM area. All in all, a warm summer-like day and back to above average. Your hometown, 84 in Grand Forks as well. Notice that shower chance area could be a little cooler, some 70s there. Otherwise, near 80 for many in eastern North Dakota. 77 Detroit Lakes, Bemidji at 80 degrees, and Roseau 82 for your afternoon, with Fergus Falls in the low 80s as well. Some stormy skies, picturesque storms across the valley. Thanks to all of you for sharing your photos. This one captured by Amy in the Lemoore area. That is an ominous shelf cloud associated with a thunderstorm approaching late Tuesday night, Monday night, I should say. Taking a look at your forecast, we talked about Wednesday. Thursday, hit and miss storm chances again. Most of us stay dry. 86 in Fargo as the warmth continues to build. We'll call it hot on Friday and Saturday with the 90-degree reading not out of the question for many areas, leaving a storm chance for isolated activity all the way into Friday. Saturday into Sunday, a better chance of a little bit more widespread thunder shower activity as we'll see temperatures cool back from the 90s into the 80s to start next work week. All in all, a very summer-like weekend ahead of us.
Yeah, it certainly is. Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.